Ever feel like your Peterbilt 330's pedals are just there? Well, this replacement set for the 1997 model might just change your mind about what a pedal can be. It's not just about function, it's about bringing a touch of class to your rig. This isn't your average replacement part, it's a statement piece. The square pedal design is a direct fit for that classic 1997 Peterbilt 330, and the real magic lies in the road oak inlay. It's a subtle detail, but it adds a warmth and a premium feel that you just don't find on stock pedals. Imagine the difference it makes every time you step in to drive. The craftsmanship here is evident. The pedals themselves feel solid and well-made, promising durability for the long haul. Installation, from what we understand, is straightforward, designed to be a direct replacement, so you won't be wrestling with complicated modifications. The grip on these pedals is also noteworthy. The combination of the textured surface and the smooth oak inlay provides a secure footing, which is crucial for safety and comfort during those long drives. It's the kind of upgrade that makes you appreciate the little things, transforming a utilitarian component into something you actually enjoy interacting with. For any owner of a 1997 Peterbilt 330 looking to elevate their interior, this pedal set with its road oak inlay is a truly exceptional choice. It's a blend of robust engineering and refined aesthetics that's hard to beat.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.